Hi, I'm Julia with Blackbird & Company. It's unboxing day. Congratulations, you've received your 4th grade year collection. Each box has been carefully hand-packed to ensure that all items arrive to you undamaged. This means that the materials are not packed in any particular order. So let's open and organize the contents together. Inside this box is everything you need for a fun and successful 4th grade language arts program. Let's see what we've got. Starting off strong with an unboxing pamphlet, a lot of wonderful novels, Operation Lexicon, Storymaker, a teacher helps guide, literature discovery guides, research discovery guides, Storymaker tins, flashcards, and research people's books. Now that we've opened and organized the contents, what now? A great place to start is with the unboxing handout. It's really important to read this packet because it gives really good guidance and strategies to get started. Blackbird & Company's curriculum is a really unique program designed to develop and encourage your students' reading, writing, and thinking skills. There are 5 components that make up your 4th grade curriculum: literature and writing bundles, Storymaker Fun Tales, One True Sentence Punctuation, Operation Lexicon Ted Hughes, and Research People. The core component is the literature and writing discovery guides. You will find 6 of these student journals paired with 6 wonderful novels. You will also find a teacher helps, which covers levels 1 through 3. It is important to read this guide as it will help you understand what is expected of your child along the way. It's also a good idea to read through the front matter of one of the student journals and flip through to get a lay of the land. You only have to do this once as they're all very similar. Your 4th grade collection will include Charlotte's Web, The City of Ember, Fish in a Tree, Inside Out and Back Again, Loser, and Love Ruby Lavender. When staring at a blank page, it's often the first sentence that is most difficult for students to tackle. An engaging hook can conquer writer's block with a swish of a pencil. All of the instructions for Storymaker are right at the front of your guide. Your 4th grade collection also includes a Storymaker Fun Tales guide, flashcards, and a tin of objects that match the theme. Sentences are simply a collection of words that convey an idea. When well-crafted sentences are connected wisely one after another, that idea grows deeper and wider. But without the basic tools of construction, grammar, punctuation, and style, meaning and communication are lost. This is where One True Sentence comes in. Instructions can be found in the first few pages of the guide. Your 4th grade One True Sentence is Punctuation. It comes with a guide and 2 corresponding books. Operation Lexicon is vocabulary development. Using words in an original way will help young wordsmiths delight in the beauty of language. Your 4th grade Operation Lexicon student guide celebrates the wonderful author Ted Hughes. In 5 short weeks, your student will learn about a significant person in history, culminating in the creation of a biographical essay. Start by reading the How to Use This Guide section in the beginning of the student guide. Your 4th grade research will focus on Theodore Roosevelt, Temple Grandin, Ada Lovelace, and Fred Rogers. Each guide comes with 2 corresponding books. Remember that there are dive deeper resources in your unboxing handout as well as on our website under our parent-teacher drop-down. Contact us anytime you need fine-tuning. We're always here to help. It's been so fun unboxing 4th grade language arts with you. Remember, you can do this and you're the hero.